In this lecture, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features for building a real business directory, the Directorist booking extension. So far, your directory helps user discover listing, but with booking enabled, they can take actions such as booking services, reserving rentals, or joining events directly from your website. This turns your directory into a complete transaction-based platform. With multiple booking types, automated workflow, and monetization options like commission, you can build a fully functional marketplace. At its core, this extension allows the user to go from discovery to booking, all in one place. And to make this system reliable, managing schedule without conflict is essential. That's where Google Calendar integration comes in. In this lecture, I'll show you how the booking system works and how to connect it with Google Calendar for automatic synchronization. Hi, this is 𝘗𝘗𝑚. Let's get started. Now that we understand what the booking extension does, let's install and configure it for your directory. Step 1. Install and activate. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Directorist, then Theme and Extension. Now search for the booking extension. Once you find it, click Install. After the installation is complete, go to the Install tab, select the extension and click Activate. Alternatively, you can also activate it from the plugin section. Once activated, you will notice new booking related option added to your directory system. Before configuring the extension, first enable it by going to Directorist, then Setting, Extension General. Then toggle on Booking to activate the extension. Then click Save Changes to apply the settings. 2. Booking confirmation page. When you activate the extension, it automatically creates a booking confirmation page that contains the shortcode, like Directorist booking confirmation. Next, you will need to make sure this page is correctly assigned. Go to Directorist, then Setting, Page Setup, Page Links and View Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the settings and confirm that the booking confirmation page is selected. This page is what confirms bookings for your user, so it's important that it's set correctly. Once you have verified everything, click Save Changes to apply the settings. Step 3. Add the booking widget. To make bookings easy from any listing page, add the Directorist booking widget to your sidebar. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Widgets, Directorist bookings, and drag it into the Directorist listing right sidebar. Once added, user will see a booking form directly on the listing page sidebar. To display the booking widget on the single listing page, follow this step. Navigate to Directorist, Directorist Builder, your desired directory, for example, restaurant, edit, single page layout, and listing content. From the left panel, drag the booking field into the layout area on the right, positioning it wherever you would like it to appear on the page. When you are done arranging the layout, click Update to save your changes. And step 4 is Configure booking settings. These options let you control the global booking behavior for your directory. Go to Settings, Extensions, Booking. Keep in mind these settings apply only to the Add Listing form. Here you can customize the guest booking option. It allows or restricts booking from users who don't have an account. Commission rate defines the commission percentage you earn per booking. Booking type, here you choose which booking types are available for your listing, such as service booking for service or appointments, event bookings for event-based reservation, and rental booking for rental or other time-based booking. Booking type label, change the label text displayed on the form for the booking type selector. Then booking timing type. Enable this to allow time-based bookings, for example, hourly or daily. Payment type is select the payment system to use for bookings. By default, this uses the standard Directorist payment system. Now the service fields. Use the service field option to adjust the labels used for service-based bookings on the add listing form. These settings only change the wording. They don't affect how booking works. You can customize. Timing type label is the text for the timing selection field. Then enable install booking label is the text for the instant booking toggle. The maximum guest label is the field label where owners set the maximum number of guests per booking. Next, under event fields, you can fine-tune the label for event-based booking on the ad listing form. You can customize available ticket label, shows the total number of tickets available for an event. Ticket alerts per booking label sets the number of tickets a single user can book in a single reservation. Rent fields customize the label shows on the ad listing form. Weekend price label, available calendar title label, and availability calendar description label used to guide listing owners when setting rental availability. Single listing. Customize the label on the listing details page. Request booking, book ticket, login for booking, and reservation fee to control all booking related text on single listing pages. Confirmation page. Decide whether to show a refund policy on the confirmation page and customize the refund policy label to control how these text appear on users. After adjusting any setting or label, click Save Changes to apply them. Let's start with service bookings. Perfect for appointments, consultation, or any service-based businesses. To enable this booking type, go to Directorist extension Booking. Under Booking Type, select all the booking types you want to display on your ad listing form. Finally, click Save Changes. Step 1. Add a listing with service booking. To customize a service booking, go to WordPress dashboard, Directories, Add New Listing. Fill in all the basic listing information, including the pricing field, to $50 to work on. Now scroll down to the appointment section and toggle Enable Booking to start configuring booking for this listing. In the appointment type section, select service as the booking type to unlock all services specific options. If you select event or rent instead, you will see their own dedicated configuration settings, which we will cover shortly. Step 2. Configure service details. In the Choose Timing Type section, decide how customers select their appointment time. Time slot lets you offer fixed start and end time slot. Time picker lets user choose a custom time within your available hours. You can also enable Show Available Text and customize the label to display a short availability note for user. Next, go to Configure Time Slot. This is where you set weekly availability. For each day of the week, you can toggle the weekday on or off, set the start and end times. Choose how many slots are available for that period and use the icon to duplicate, add, or delete a time slot. This option lets you control exactly when customer can book your service. Set a fixed one-time amount in the reservation fee field that customer must pay when they book. For example, you could enter like $20. This field is optional, so if you don't want to charge any fee, simply set it to 0. Keep in mind that this reservation fee applies when a user books a service. If enabled, the customer will pay this fee only at the time of booking. The main service price, for example $50, is not included in the upfront payment. From the front end, you can see that after selecting all booking options, the total displayed for this reservation is $20. Now, if you want to collect the full service amount in advance, set the reservation fee to the full service price. For instance, if the service costs $50, set the reservation fee to $50. This way, the customer pays the entire amount at the time of booking. In maximum number of guests, choose how many guests are allowed per reservation. For example, 3. Turn on Enable Payment to allow user to pay for their booking directly. If this is disabled, booking will be request only and no payment will be collected at the time of booking. The next option is Enable Instant Booking to automatically approve bookings without admin or listing owner review. When this is off, each booking will require manual approval. Let's keep it off for now. Finally, turn on the refund system to allow refund requests for booking services. Here you can add a refund policy description, set the refund days and refund amount, and the multiple refund rules if needed. These rules will be shown to users during the booking process, so they clearly understand your refund policy before confirming. Step 3. Front-end booking flow. Service booking makes it simple for customer to schedule appointments directly from your directory. Here's how the process works from the user perspective. When a user opens a listing, they scroll down to the booking section on the single listing page. They select their preferred date, an available time slot, and the number of guests. A booking summary appears showing the request details and the total cost if applicable. The user click looking for appointment to proceed, which opens the review and confirm booking page. On this page, they enter their personal details and any optional notes, then review the booking summary and click confirm booking to submit the reservation. Because this booking is connected to a payment system, a new page opens to select a payment method. In this example, we'll choose bank transfer and click pay now. If instant booking is enabled, the booking is confirmed immediately. If instant booking is not enabled, the booking remains in a pending status until the listing owners or an admin approves it from the dashboard. The user can then click Go to My Booking to check the status of their booking request. Now, what about managing booking as a listing owner? Listing owners can manage all booking requests from dashboard, then all bookings. Bookings are organized into approved, pending, cancelled, and refund request tabs, making navigation easy. In the pending tab, each booking card displays key information so listing owners can act quickly using the buttons on the right. Approve order to confirm the booking or reject to decline the request. Once an action is taken, the booking automatically moves to the appropriate status tab, keeping everything organized and easy to track. There is one more option called Booking Calendar, where the listing owner can view all booking for their services at once, organized month by month. Now let's move on to the event booking, perfect for seminars, workshops, concerts, or any ticket-based events. Just like service booking, this is configured directly from the ad listing page. Step 1, enable event booking. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, Directorist, add new listing, scroll down to the appointment section and toggle enable booking. Under appointment type, select event. This will unlock all event-specific booking options. Now step 2, configure the core event settings. Start with available tickets. This defines the total number of tickets available for the event, so let's put 100 in here. You can also enable display available tickets, which shows remaining tickets to user, helping creating urgency. Next, set tickets allowed per booking. This controls how many tickets a single user can book in one transaction. So let's say 5. Step 3, pricing and payment settings. In the reservation fee fields, enter the fixed amount charged per booking. For example, you might set the reservation fee for $20 for an event. If a user select 5 tickets, they would pay $250 for the tickets plus a $20 reservation fee for a total of $270. Note that the reservation fee is a one-time additional charge applied to the booking, not per ticket. Whether a user purchases one ticket or the maximum allowed, the fee remains $20. You can also set the reservation fee to $0 if you prefer, giving you full flexibility in structuring your pricing. Then enable payment if you want user to pay a booking fee. If disabled, user can only submit booking request without payment. You can also enable instant booking. If enable, booking are confirmed immediately. If disabled, booking requires manual approval. Step 4, refund system setup. Next, configure the refund system. Enable it so user can request refunds. Here you can add a refund policy description, define refund days, for example 5 days before the event, and set a refund percentage, for example 10. You can also create multiple refund rules depending on your policy. Then step 5, front-end booking flow. Now let's see how user interact with event booking. When a user visits the listing, they scroll to the booking section. They simply select the number of tickets, review the event details. A booking summary appears showing event name, select number of tickets, available tickets, and total cost. Then they click appointment ticket, and it will open the personal information page where you have to put your name, email, phone number, and any notes, and then click confirm booking. If payment is enabled, they will be redirected to the payment page to complete the booking. Now click pay now to complete the process. Then step 6, booking management. From the admin or listing owner side, all booking can be managed from dashboard, then all bookings. Bookings are organized into approved, pending, cancelled, and refund requests. This makes it easy to track and manage all event reservation efficiently. As we can see, the booking we just made is in pending status. Click Approve Order, and once we approve it, it will shown in the Approve section. This setup makes event booking ideal for ticket-based directories, allowing you to manage capacity, payments, and user experience all in one place. Now let's move on to the rent booking, ideal for properties, cars, equipments, or any rental-based listing. Just like the other booking types, everything is configured directly from the Add Listing page. Step 1. Enable rent booking. Go to WordPress dashboard, Directories, Add New Listing, scroll down to the Appointment section and toggle Enable Booking. Under Appointment Type, select Rent. This unlocks all rental-specific booking options. Then step 2, configure rental availability. At first, the weekend price field lets you enter the exact price you want to charge for weekend. Then the core of rental booking is the availability calendar. Here you can define when your rental is available. Click on specific dates to make them as unavailable. You can also assign custom pricing per day if needed. Use this calendar to block out booked or unavailable dates. Plus, you can set a weekend price in the calendar that overrides the default price on weekend. This gives you flexible pricing control based on demand. Step 3. Configure the booking details. In the reservation fee field, set the amount to $20. Whenever user books rental, whether for one day or multiple days, they will pay the total cost for the selected duration plus the $20 reservation fee. This fee is a fixed additional charge applied to the booking. If you prefer not to charge a reservation fee, you can set it to $0. Now set the maximum number of guests, for example 3, to limit the number of people who can book the rental at once. Step 4. Payment and approval settings. Next, enable payment if you want user to pay during booking. If disabled, user can still submit booking request, but no payment will be collected upfront. Enable instant booking to automatically approve bookings without admin or listing owner review. If disabled, all booking requires manual approval. This gives you full control over how booking are proceed. Step 5. Refund system setup. Enable the refund system so user can request refund. Configure your refund rules. Add a refund policy description. Specify the number of days before the event or rental start, for example 5, and set a refund percentage, for example 10%. You can create multiple refund rules based on your policy. Step 6. Front-end booking flow. Now let's see how user interact with rent booking. When a user visits the listing, they scroll to the booking section. Select a start date and an end date. The system automatically checks availability based on your calendar. Then select the guest number to view the booking summary, including the total cost. Remember, the reservation fee is included in the total cost. Then click Looking for Appointment. On the next page, they enter their personal details and confirm the booking. If payment is enabled, they will be redirected to the payment page and click Pay Now to complete the process. Step 7. Booking management. From the admin or listing owner side, go to Dashboard, All Booking. Bookings are organized into approve, pending, cancel, and refund request, making it easy to track and manage all rent booking. The booking we just created appears to be in pending status. Click Approve Order to approve it. Once approved it moves to the approval section. This setup makes rent booking ideal for property and rental directories, allowing you to manage availability, pricing, payments, and approval all in one place. Step 8. Commission management. In this step, you will configure how commissions are shared between the website owner and the listing owners. To begin, go to Directorist dashboard, Settings, Extension, then Booking. In the commission rate field, enter the desired percentage, for example 10. With 10% commission rate, the website owner earns 10% from each transaction, while the listing owner receives the remaining 90%. Then click Save Changes. Next, go to the WordPress dashboard and open the commission settings. From there, navigate to the Payout Method section and configure the option that listing owners can use to receive their earnings. Let's add a new method. In the name field, enter bank transfer, and in the Slack field, type bank_transfer _chase_bank. In the description field, write bank transfer chase checking. You can also include full bank details here if needed. Then click add new method to save it. You can add other payout option the same way, such as PayPal. This allows listing owner to choose their preferred method for receiving earning. Once a booking or purchase is completed, earnings are automatically split according to the defined commission. To confirm this, log into the listing owner's dashboard and check the wallet section for the updated balance. The listing owner can then review their wallet and submit a payout request to withdraw their earnings. On the admin side, the website owners can go to the All Commission section in the WordPress dashboard to view all payout requests. After reviewing the details, the admin can approve the request. Once approved, the listing owner can check their wallet again and the payout process is completed after the commission has been deducted. Finally, let me show you one of the most powerful features in Directorist's booking system, Google Calendar integration. It helps businesses manage their bookings without scheduling conflict by automatically syncing them with Google Calendar and preventing double bookings through conflict checks across all connected calendars. First, go to the Google Cloud Console and sign in using the same Google account you use for bookings. Create a new project or select an existing one. So here I am creating a new one. For that, I'm giving the project name and keeping the location as it is and clicking create. Now enable the Google Calendar API. So navigate to APIs and services, then enable APIs and services and click plus enable APIs and services. Now search for Google Calendar API and enable it. Next, you need to create an OAuth client ID. Go to APIs and services, OAuth consent screen, and click Get Started. If Google prompts you to configure the consent screen, provide the app name and email, select External as the user type, add your contact email, and agree to Google's policies. Then continue and click Create. You will land on the overview page. Click Create OAuth Client, then choose Web Application as the application type, give it a name, and add your redirect URL. After creation, Google will provide you with a client ID and client secret. Keep them safe as we will use them in the next step. Finally, publish the app. For that, go to Audience and click Publish App and confirm. Now go to the overview, then Clients, and open the client ID that you created here. This new window will show the client ID and client secret. Now return to your WordPress dashboard. Open your booking dashboard and click Connect Google Calendar. Enter the client ID and client secret. Then click Connect Calendar. A Google pop-up will appear. Approve the requested permissions. Once connected successfully, the button will change to Calendar Setup. Click it. Now choose your primary booking calendar. This is where all new bookings from directories will be created automatically. Below that, you will see Conflict Prevention. Select any calendars you want directories to check before accepting a booking. This prevents overlapping, schedule, or double bookings. You can select multiple calendars here. When you are done, click Complete Setup. To update or disconnect Google Calendar later, return to this screen and click Disconnect. Your setup is now complete, and all your confirmed bookings will automatically sync to Google Calendar. Here's how syncing works behind the scenes. Whenever a service or rain booking is confirmed, it checks all selected calendars to detect any time conflicts. If there's no conflict, Directorist creates the event in your primary calendar, including guest details. If that booking is later cancelled, the Google Calendar event is automatically removed. If you want to remove all Google data and tokens, simply click Disconnect Google Calendar. One important note: Syncing works only for booking type service and rent. Event type listings are not synced. So, that's a complete walkthrough of the Directorist booking extension. You have learned how to transform your directory into a fully functional booking platform, from setting up service, events, rental bookings to managing payments, approvals, and refund. You have also seen how powerful features like Google Calendar integration help automate scheduling and prevent conflict, making your platform reliable for both user and listing owners. At this point, your directory is no longer just a place to browse listing. It's a system where real transactions happen. Now it's your turn to experiment. Try different booking types, adjust your pricing model, and build a workflow that fits your business idea. In the next lecture, we'll continue exploring more extensions that help you scale and monetize your directory even further. This is 𝘱𝘗𝑚 signing off for today. See you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.